9th standard maths algebra. Today we see consistency and inconsistency of linear equations in two variables. Consider linear equations in two variables. Here two variables are x and y. So here a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0. This is first equation. Second equation a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0. This is second equation where a1, a2, b1, b2, c1, c2 are real numbers. Then the system has number 1 unique solution if a1 by a2 not equal to b1 by b2. Then the given equation is consistent. Second one, in an infinite number of solutions if a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 equal to c1 by c2. This also consistent. Third one, no solution if a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 not equal to c1 by c2. Then the given system of equation is called inconsistent. Now we see example 3.54. Check whether the following system of equations is consistent or inconsistent and say how many solutions we can have if it is consistent. Number 1, the set of equations are given. Here 3 set of equations, 3 questions. First one, 2x minus 4y equal to 7, x minus 3y equal to minus 2. Second one, 4x plus y equal to 3, 8x plus 2y equal to 6. Third one, 4x plus 7 equal to 2y, 2x plus 9 equal to y. Solution, pair of lines. First one, 2x minus 4y equal to 7, x minus 3y equal to minus 2. Here, what is a1, what is a2? The coefficient of x. This is a1, this is a2. Therefore, a1 by a2 equal to 2 by 1. What is 2 by 1? 2. Then we have to find b1 by b2. What is b1 by b2? Coefficient of y. Therefore, here coefficient of y is minus 4, minus 3. Now, b1 by b2 equal to minus 4 by minus 3. Minus minus cancel, you get 4 by 3. Then we have to find c1 by c2. What is c1 by c2? Constant. Here, the constant is 7. Here minus 2. 7 divided by minus 2. That is c1 by c2. Here denominator minus 2. Come to numerator minus 7 by 2. Compare the relation. Here you compare the first relation. a1 by a2. What is a1 by a2? 2. What is b1 by b2? 4 by 3. They are not equal. Therefore, we get a1 by a2 not equal to b1 by b2. From 1, here the lines, intersecting lines, graphical representation, the lines are intersecting lines. Algebraic interpretation, unique solution. This equation have unique solution. Second, 4x plus y equal to 3, 8x plus 2y equal to 6. Here, a1 by a2, the coefficient of x. What is the coefficient of x? 4, here 8. Therefore, a1 divided by a2 equal to 4 divided by 8. What is 4 by 8? Using fourth table, 1 4 is 4, 2 4s are 8, that is 1 by 2. Then we have to find b1 by b2 using the coefficient of y. Therefore, coefficient of y here 1, here 2. Therefore, 1 by 2. C1 by C2, that is constant term. Here what is the constant term? 3 by 6. 3 by 6 using third table, 1 3 is 3, 2 3s are 6. That equal to 1 by 2. Now compare the relations. What is A1 by A2? 1 by 2. B1 by B2? 1 by 2. C1 by C2 also 1 by 2. Now we get A1 by A2 equal to B1 by B2 equal to C1 by C2. Therefore, we have the second one. What is second one? Infinite number of solution. Therefore, the lines are coinciding lines. Okay, students? Then only you get infinite number of solutions. Algebraic interpretation. Infinite many solutions. Third one. 4x plus 7 equal to 2y. 2x plus 9 equal to y. Here, what is A1 by A2? Using coefficient of x. 4, here 2. 4 by 2 equal to 2. B1 by B2 using coefficient of y. Here equal to 2y. Here also equal to 2y. Sorry, equal to y. Therefore, using coefficient of y, 2, here 1. Therefore, B1 by B2 equal to 2 by 1. That is 2. C1 by C2. Constant term is here. 7, here 9. Therefore, C1 by C2 equal to 7 by 9. Now, compare the ratios. Here, A1 by A2 equal to 2. B1 by B2 equal to 2. But C1 by C2 equal to 7 by 9. Therefore, we have A1 by A2 equal to B1 by B2 not equal to C1 by C2. Therefore, using the third, we have inconsistent, no solution. Therefore, the lines are parallel. Graphical representation, the lines are parallel. Algebraic interpretation, no solution.